let's dive into a topic that holds the key to unlocking the 100K milestone. In your net worth, compounding power. Understanding the power of compounding and wealth accumulation is crucial for achieving financial success and reaching significant milestones like the 100K mark. In this video, we'll explore the significance of reaching this milestone, the benefits of compounding, and why financial planning is essential for long-term success. Reaching the 100K milestone in net worth is a significant achievement that can have a profound impact on your financial future. It represents a level of financial stability and security that can provide a sense of accomplishment and peace of mind. Whether you're saving for retirement, building wealth for your family's future, or working towards a specific financial goal, reaching the 100K milestone is a major stepping stone towards financial independence. Understanding the power of compounding is key to accelerating your journey towards the 100K milestone. Compounding allows your money to grow exponentially over time, as your earnings generate additional earnings. By harnessing the power of compounding through smart investing and strategic financial decisions, you can maximize your wealth accumulation and fast-track your progress towards your financial goals. Financial planning plays a crucial role in achieving long-term success and reaching milestones like the 100K mark. By creating a solid financial plan, you can set clear goals, establish a roadmap for achieving them, and make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth accumulation to the next level, having a comprehensive financial plan in place is essential for building a secure financial future. So let's dive into the world of compounding power and unlock the 100K milestone together. Why 100K matters? Reaching the 100K milestone in net worth is a pivotal moment in your financial journey, as it marks a significant turning point where your wealth accumulation experiences exponential growth. Let's delve into why this milestone matters and how it can propel you towards greater financial success. At the 100K mark, the effects of compounding become more pronounced, leading to accelerated wealth accumulation. Compounding is the process where your money earns returns, and those returns generate even more returns over time. When you surpass the 100K mark, the compounding effects kick into high gear, allowing your wealth to grow at an increasingly rapid pace. This compounding snowball effect can help you build wealth more quickly and reach your financial goals sooner than you may have thought possible. Surpassing the 100K mark can also have a profound psychological impact on your financial behavior. Achieving this milestone can boost your confidence in your financial abilities and motivate you to continue making smart financial decisions. It can instill a sense of accomplishment and empowerment, driving you to set even bigger financial goals and strive for greater success in managing your money. Reaching the 100K milestone can accelerate wealth accumulation in various ways. For example, having a solid foundation of 100K in net worth can open up new investment opportunities that can further grow your wealth. It can also provide a buffer against unexpected financial challenges, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Additionally, surpassing the 100K mark can increase your financial leverage, allowing you to make larger investments and take advantage of opportunities that can further boost your wealth. In conclusion, reaching the 100K milestone is a significant achievement that can set the stage for substantial financial growth and success. By understanding the compounding effects, recognizing the psychological impact, and leveraging the opportunities that come with surpassing this milestone, you can accelerate your wealth accumulation and pave the way for a secure financial future. Now, unveiling wealth explosion. Have you ever wondered why net worth experiences explosive growth after surpassing the 100K milestone? In this segment, we'll uncover the insights behind this phenomenon and explore the factors that contribute to the rapid accumulation of wealth post-100K. One of the key drivers behind the explosive growth of net worth post-100K is the power of compounding. Compounding allows your money to work for you, generating exponential wealth over time. As your earnings generate returns, those returns are reinvested to generate even more returns, leading to a snowball effect that can significantly boost your wealth accumulation. By harnessing the power of compounding through strategic investments and smart financial decisions, you can accelerate the growth of your net worth and move closer to achieving financial independence. Reinvesting earnings plays a crucial role in driving financial independence and fueling the explosive growth of net worth post-100K. By reinvesting your earnings, you can compound your returns and maximize the growth potential of your investments. This continuous reinvestment of earnings allows you to leverage the power of compounding to its fullest extent, leading to substantial wealth accumulation over time. Whether you're reinvesting dividends, capital gains, or interest income, the compounding effects of reinvesting earnings can propel your net worth to new heights and pave the way for long-term financial success. To illustrate the impact of compounding on wealth accumulation, let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine you invest 100K in a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 8%. Over time, the power of compounding allows your initial investment to grow exponentially, turning your 100K into a substantial sum. By reinvesting your earnings and staying invested for the long term, you can witness the explosive growth of your net worth post 100K and achieve your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. In conclusion, the explosive growth of net worth post 100K is driven by the power of compounding, the reinvestment of earnings, and the strategic management of investments. By understanding these insights and leveraging the compounding effects, you can unlock the potential for exponential wealth accumulation and secure a brighter financial future. Next up, accelerating financial independence. When it comes to achieving financial independence, compounding is a powerful tool that can significantly accelerate your journey towards freedom from financial constraints. In this segment, we'll explore how compounding can fast-track your path to financial independence and provide tips on maximizing its benefits for long-term wealth building. Consistent investment and reinvestment play a crucial role in accelerating the journey towards financial independence through compounding. By consistently investing your money in assets that generate returns and reinvesting those returns to generate even more returns, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your wealth exponentially. This cycle of consistent investment and reinvestment allows you to build a solid financial foundation and pave the way for achieving financial independence sooner rather than later. Compounding has the remarkable ability to shorten the time needed to achieve your financial goals by multiplying the growth of your investments over time. The earlier you start investing and the longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to compound and grow. By taking advantage of the compounding effects through strategic investment decisions and a long-term investment horizon, you can expedite your journey towards financial independence and reach your financial goals faster than you may have thought possible. To maximize the benefits of compounding for financial independence, consider the following tips. 1. Start early and stay invested. The power of compounding grows exponentially over time, so the earlier you start investing and the longer you stay invested, the greater the impact on your wealth accumulation. 2. Reinvest dividends and returns. Reinvesting dividends and returns allows you to compound your earnings and accelerate the growth of your investments. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification can help reduce risk and maximize returns, enhancing the compounding effects on your overall wealth. 4. Stay disciplined and patient. Consistency and patience are key when it comes to maximizing the benefits of compounding. Stick to your investment plan. Avoid emotional decisions and trust in the power of compounding to work its magic over time. By following these tips and leveraging the power of compounding through consistent investment, reinvestment, and strategic decision-making, you can accelerate your journey towards financial independence and secure a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. As we wrap up our discussion on compounding power, wealth accumulation, and the significance of reaching the 100K milestone, it's essential to recap the key points and encourage you to take proactive steps towards your financial goals. Understanding the power of compounding and wealth accumulation is crucial for achieving financial success and building a secure financial future. We've highlighted how compounding can accelerate your journey towards financial independence by generating exponential wealth over time. By consistently investing and reinvesting your earnings, you can leverage the compounding effects to grow your net worth and achieve your financial goals faster than you may have thought possible. The 100K milestone serves as a significant marker in your financial planning journey, representing a level of financial stability and security that can propel you towards greater financial success. Reaching the 100K milestone is not just about the number itself, but the opportunities and possibilities it unlocks for your financial future. It signifies a level of accomplishment and progress in your wealth-building journey, motivating you to set even bigger financial goals and strive for long-term financial success. By understanding the significance of reaching this milestone and harnessing the power of compounding, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. I encourage you to take proactive steps towards your financial goals by implementing the principles of compounding, consistent investment, and strategic financial planning. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to accelerate your wealth accumulation, now is the time to take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your financial dreams. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to significant financial rewards tomorrow. So seize the opportunity to unlock the power of compounding and set yourself on the path towards financial independence and long-term success.